My name is Jana Rambo, a course designer with Trellix Education Services. If you need to roll back the AMCore content on your Trellix Endpoint Security deployment, you could easily use the ENS client interface to roll back AMCore on a single machine. But what if you need to roll back AMCore content on all your managed endpoint systems? The first thing that we need to know is the content version that ENS is currently running. If we open the Trellix Endpoint Security About window and scroll down to Threat Prevention, you can see the AMCore content version. To roll back AMCore, we will run a client task on the selected systems. Instead of going through the client task catalog and creating a new task, I'm going to use the Run Client Task Now feature. So on the system tree, first I'll select the systems where the task will run. Then I'll click on Action, Agent, and select Run Client Task Now. Under the Product column, I'll select Endpoint Security Threat Prevention. For the task type, I'll select Rollback AMCore Content. And then I'll click on Create New Task. Here I need to enter the unwanted AMCore content version, which is the version that we looked up earlier. Then I'll click Run Client Task Now. At this point, we can either wait for the systems to communicate with the ePO, send a wake-up call, or force the communication using the Agent Status Monitor. For this demo, I'll go back to the system tree, select my systems, and click Wake Up Agents. Once the task is completed, we can see that the content version has successfully rolled back on the system. Remember that you can roll back AMCore content on a single system from the ENS client, but if you need to roll back AMCore on multiple systems, you can use an ePO client task. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Product Smart tips from Trellix.